It's truly an honor to serve, save, and protect the citizens of Bowling Green.
Making it better is a part of what we do, and it's a part of who we are at the Bowling Green Fire Department.
The mission of the Bowling Green Fire Department is to serve, save, and protect. We respond to people and sometimes what's their worst day. People aren't sure who to call, they call us.
Here at the Bowling Green Fire Department, we look for individuals with a heart of service that want to do those things.
Are you the person that you would want to respond to your house in an attempt to save your family on your worst day? Each and every day, the members of Bowling Green Fire Department work hard in various means and measures to push ourselves to be ready for that worst day of someone's life. And as the old saying goes, an amateur will work at something until they get it right, but a professional will work at something until they can't get it wrong.
Being a firefighter gives you this unique opportunity to have an impact on people and their lives in so many different ways. Whether it's the kid that stops by the firehouse and we see the smile on his face, or the call that we go on and we have a direct impact on saving someone's life. Our job is to show up and to make their day better. We've grown as a department, building on the people that came before us. These are all responsibilities that we take very seriously.
When we think about how we are to respond to incidents, how we are to conduct ourselves on and off shift, one of the things that we have to be concerned about is the honor in which we do so. If we conduct ourselves with honor, we can ensure that we are choosing to do the right thing each and every time.
When the citizens of Bowling Green see those red lights, they trust that the Bowling Green firefighters will show up with professional service.
Because we are aggressive and progressive when it comes to our fire attack. If you want a place where you're going to learn about VIS and techniques to make saving your citizens a lot smoother, quicker, better for you to do the job and get it done, this is the place you want to go.
Here at the Bowling Green Fire Department, we pride ourselves on training, so that way we can do those things for our citizens, their family members, and at the end of the day, when we leave, we make things better. We look for people with a heart of service that are willing to train hard, to learn all they can, to put themselves on the line, to protect, to save, to serve, and of course to make it better for the citizens of Bowling Green.
They really take into consideration of these stats and what is showing in the studies of fire attack and saving lives. What's the most important thing that you can do out there?
If you have a heart for others and you want to make a difference, if you want to join a team that is mission-minded, to serve, to save, and to protect, to make it better, I encourage you to fill out the application. We're looking for the best. We hope that's you.